My goodness, what do you think? Oh my god, we're up so high! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh,
Baby Adventures! Welcome to this video. We're going to do...
What are we going to do? Hey everybody, BB Adventures here. Park number 42, Headwaters Park.
And we're going to two off and a Splashpad.
Yep, there's supposed to be a splash pad here, and it is also Three Rivers Festival. It's hot, but we're going to have fun, and it's going to be awesome, so stay tuned and check it out. Thanks!
And watch this video and share all day.
Yeah. Who's ready?
Me! Alright, here we go!
Oh!
Yeah, you don't think you can do that?
Wait, are those real people up there?
Yeah, there's people up there.
Oh.
First,
Red?
Yes.
that's your
Just
cup.
all red?
I want blue.
Okay, hold on.
Ooh, what is this? Slushy. Mix and match. You don't want to mix and match? No mixing? All red?
Just blue or?
Straight up red. What are you going to do, Emmett? Emmett, what are you going to do?
Red and blue.
Red and blue? What do red and blue make?
Purple.
You want blue on bottom?
Yeah.
Now there's two reds. You got cherry and strawberry, watermelon, cotton candy,
I want watermelon too.
watermelon.
This one? This one? Whoa, look at that. That looks awesome.
There's still slush in there. How's your slushy, Cam?
When you bring this on, it kind of sounds like a helicopter.
Whoa, look at that.
Big slide.
Emmett, stay with Camden. What's up, Melissa? My goodness, what do you think? Oh my god, we're up so high! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Mama's scared of heights. Did I tell you that?
No, you didn't.
I didn't tell you that I was scared of heights. Uh-oh, let's see how high we are. Let's show everybody how high. Look how high we are up here. So high, look at 4 waves in here. Woo! Beautiful. There we go again.
You ready, dude? Who knows what's gonna happen? Uh-oh, we're moving. Here we go. We're going faster. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holding on. Oh my God. Too fast, dude. Is it too fast? Is it? You gonna make it? You're afraid of heights?
That's why.
Whoa, I think we're going higher. Now we're going lower.
We just hit the ground.
Whoa, I hope we don't hit the ground.
That's why I'm
Did we make it? High five. Didn't. Back where we started, safe and sound.
I'm gonna get the dog.
I forget the name. They're good though.
Shy bag. Panda, what do you think of the pork on the stick? Yummy? Show everybody your rainbow slushie, Emmett. You got all the colors,
Yeah, but not all colors.
but a lot of them, huh?
But I just got all colors from a picture I saw. Blue, red, and green.
Cool. And how does it taste?
Good.
Good.
Well, I got taste the colors red and green. You want to taste? Red and lime.
Red and lime, cherry lime.
Ooh, good choice.
That's really good. Camden, that's a good choice too. All right, guys, let's go. Need help, honey? All right, we are all done here at Headwaters Park, Three Rivers Festival, the Midway, the rides, the fun, the food. Emmett, what was your favorite part?
Everything.
Camden, what was your favorite part?
Rice.
You have a fun ride? Favorite ride?
Well, it was the one that I went round and round, and I got it.
Oh, you did?
did.
With the one with Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh,
We had fun.
all
Which
right.
one was it?
The one when you went on with Daddy. Remember, I went on the Ferris wheel with you, and he went on a other one.
Wait, remember? Is that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's the orange one though. Like, where's my anchor?
Oh,
Yeah.
like your anchor would go on and around.
Yeah.
Like,
Visual demonstration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like still higher and higher.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That one. Daddy, what was your favorite part?
Junk food alley. I gotta say.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I would probably have to say the food. It was cool to see all that food. I wish I was more hungry because it's really hot.
It's cooler.
It's so hot. So
And we have the slushies.
we got slushies and the.
And
I didn't get to do everything that was here. There was so much to do. There was a whole nother section of like booths where you could buy stuff. But it was really hot, so we didn't walk through there. But there was so much. We didn't even see all the rides that there were or play any games. But there's a lot to do here. So much fun.
Hey,
So hot.
Yep.
But good times. All right. So thank you all for joining
guess
us.
what? On the roller coaster, we saw everything. No rides, right?
Yeah,
On
we
the
saw.
Ferris wheel.
We saw everything. We sure did. We saw it all. On top of the Ferris wheel. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Comment down below and let us know what your favorite part of this video was, and let us know. Wait, that's not right.
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, shout out to MSKTD for supplying us with some
Free ride passes.
Free ride passes
That was
and
pretty-
being supporters. So that's how they did that.
Of
Thank
the
you.
festival. They're supporters of a 3 River Festival, for sure. And
Comment down below.
we already said
Subscribe.
that. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bells for notifications on our next video. Okay, park number 42. That was it. and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Baby Adventures.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something indeed. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think
Careful,
we are so
Janelle.
meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something.
Was it fun?
Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always
Was it
happened
fun?
to me.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
I'm telling you this now. You don't
Watch
need to
yourself.
worry,
Watch yourself.
'cause I got
Whoop,
this
hands come